Hey guys, so another thing features about our fertilizer equipment is we have a gear cover. You can see this is the cover to cover up the girth gears, so that there's no oil leakages on site, or I can say it can prevent the oil leakages on site. You can see these are the whole set of gear covers for the rotary drum granulators, rotary drum dryers and coolers, and also coating machines. The function of this is to protect the girth gear to contact with the dust, because usually in the fertilizer workshop there's a lot of dust. Therefore, we have this cover to protect your girth gear from getting dirty from the dust, and also it can serve as some sort of protection, and also it helps improve the safety of the workshop.